There's something really strange for those stocks happening right now. The momentum is picking up, guys, and there's a big, huge volume happening in the back scene where the insiders actually buy those stocks. So let's get right to it. The price action, where you buy, where you sell, where we take your profit, where we actually reload if the price hit the support. So let's get right to it and start with this stock. We talked about it in our pre-market today, which is DOTS. Okay, we talked about it here in our pre-market update and 11:30 or around 11:30 a.m. in the morning, pre-market, guys, on Patreon, and we said we're gonna see a rejection near this area around the 17 and 18, and that's what we got perfectly, guys, and we took a profit here around this area before the price went down. If you want a pre-market update or analysis for your favorite stock, you can find it here. Just press show more. You can find that the link here for our Patreon, guys. Join us if you want alert for the price and much more. Okay, so here, guys, as we said in the pre-market for CEI for DATS, here we have a lot of stock we talked about in pre-market. One of them is DOTS, and we predicted the price to get hit rejection around this area, and the price went down without testing the support. So right now, where's the price should have a potential for reverse or like a idea for making money here, for a strategy to make money. Okay, so for this one, guys, predict the price to have a test. We kind of have a green candle right now, so this scenario is plausible right now and might happen again. Tests for the 12, guys, 78. If we got rejection this time, I will be hunting this area, guys, the $9.23. This will be a perfect entry where the price will find a genuine buying pressure. Okay, and the general trend, if you gonna have a big picture general trend, we can actually draw the line here and still doing higher lows in general trend. So we still actually have the momentum of uptrend. Even if we went here above the $9.23, $9.50, it will be a good buying pressure, and reversal will happen again to retest the 18 and the 20 again. So here we're gonna see another strategy. You buy here and you just take a profit 50% or 70% and let the other go to other resistance. So here we're gonna see a consolidation and hold. Okay, here will be our target to exit if we don't hold this ascending line. The next one, we have PRAGUE, and we have a lot of question about PRAGUE, and as we said, guys, take your position like your profit around the $2.67 because we're gonna see a rejection before the $3.76. That's what happened actually around the 12, guys. We did the video even before around the 11, and we warned you guys to take a profit here around the $2.67 precisely. As we said here, we just talking about exact price, guys. Look, perfect bounce. This wick hit our resistance area, which is here, the $2.67. Right now we testing the support, and again, guys, really important support to hold above the $2, because if we don't hold, there's a technical area to bounce from. To confirm, this will be kind of consolidation or like recorrection for the market, and we still have upside trend and pick up in momentum if we hold above the $1.78. This will be the next support to confirm that we don't have a sell-off. Okay, if you want to buy, this will be our trigger to get in and confirming that we still in uptrend, and this will be a good trade to make and the price to go up, and this time we're gonna see the $3.76. The only thing we have to hold right now is the $1.78 or 77. Okay, for PRAGUE, will confirm that we don't have a sell-off until the $1.20. The next one, we have ADU, a New Oriental Education and Technology Corporation. This, guys, is have a major shift for the price. Look what's going on. The big triangle being broken right now for ADU, and we see a big buying pressure, 10% today. And look here, we got rejection and here we got rejection around our ascending line, and here again we got rejected, but we bought back around our support. We talked about it even in our pre-market update on Patreon. We said this is important level. Even if we broke out, we need to bounce from and go up again around the $2.15. Right now we see a bit of test around the $2.37. However, right now we have a clear candle right now above here. So my target right now, I should have a test for the $2.93 again, or around the $2.90, and this will be the trigger, guys. This will be the trigger, because if we go in a big picture, we have a massive drop, okay? We have a massive gap here. We gonna fill, okay? This is kind of like a stock have a tendency to refill the gap, okay? However, we need to hold above the $2.15 and confirm this with this green candle that we did today. First, we have the test $2.93. The ignition will be above the $2.93, and the next target will be in $4.90, around the $4.90, okay? If we overcome the $2.93 and hold above the $2.15 to confirm that we reverse, okay? The volume is picking up like crazy right now. The next one, we have Zoom, guys. Zoom have like a major shift, and the prices keep dropping in big picture. Look, guys, we've been like downtrending since beginning of this year, and we went from the $2.80 until, look how crazy it is. This is 50 cents. So right now, what's going on? The volume is picking up right now, guys, 24 million, and we holding this important support right now above the 0.49. Right now, I'm just telling you guys, if we hold this time, this, and we make it our bottom, this is will have another test right now, will be first around the 0.56 first, okay? If we not got rejected without a candle, without a wick, we're gonna see explosion next time again around this time will be around the 0.69, okay? This will be another test for Zoom Medica. However, right now we have to hold above the 0.49 to confirm that the buying pressure that happening in the behind the scene is actually refueling for Zoom Medica, and this will have a really good confirmation. And if we calculate, if we got here around 0.50 and the stop loss, let's say around the 0.47, you see it's almost 4% loss. But the like if we calculate the profit, if the price actually jump up, we have almost 35% or even 25%. You see, this is how you choose your trade, guys. 4% you might lose. However, we have the profit taking is way wider, okay? This is kind of things you have to make in your strategy, okay? Always when you choose your stock, you choose the profit taking and the stop loss, always, so you never actually end up losing, okay? And the last stock we have is OCGN, guys. OCGN, it's exploded and tested the $9.26. We got like right now double resistance here, and around the $9.26, as we said here before. We draw this around the $9.26, and we didn't have a confirmation candle above. Right now we have a candle closing below our resistance, and again there's a support to confirm that we're gonna see a retest and explosion above the $10.80. So for OCGN right now, guys, if we hold above this area, let me actually recorrect this level above the gap, okay? Above the gap, this is really important. The $8.25 should be the support to confirm that we don't have another sell-off, because you see this is a big price drop before, and we consolidated a lot in this area between the 6 and the 8. So right now, if we want to confirm the explosion for OCGN, guys, and go beyond the 10, even for the 15, guys, or the 13, we need to hold above the $8.25 and make it this our bottom, and this retest for the $9.26. The ignition for the squeeze is above the $10.80, guys. Trust me, this will be crazy volatility above here, and we go even for the 14 and 15 for OCGN. I'll put it on my watch list because there's a big volume happening right now for OCGN and ready to explode, guys. Okay, guys, see you in the next update, and always tell you, be patient and hunt for exact price value. See you in the next update.